If your mind won't stop right now, lie down and stay with me. In the next 5 minutes, this Yoga Nidra will calm your body and ease anxiety. Just lie down on your back. You don't need to do anything else right now. Take a slow breath in and feel your body begin to settle. Again, inhale, exhale. Feel the weight of your body resting beneath you. Nothing to hold, nothing to fix. For these few minutes, you are safe to rest. Bring your attention to your feet. Notice if they're still holding tension and let them soften. Notice your calves, your knees, your thighs. Let the hips grow heavy. Soften the belly, soften the chest, soften the shoulders. Relax your hands, your arms, your jaw, your eyes, your forehead. Take another slow breath in and let it go. If your mind is still busy, that's okay. You're still doing this right. Just become aware of the places your body is still holding on. See if they can soften just a little more. Now notice your breath. No need to change it. Just feel it moving in and out. If thoughts are still there, let them pass. You do not need to follow them right now. For these few moments, you are allowed to rest. Let yourself sink a little deeper, breathing in and out. Soft body, soft face, easy breath. Stay here for one more inhale and one more long exhale. Begin to notice the space around you again. Notice what changed, even if it's just a small shift. If this helped even a little, save this for the next time anxiety shows up. And if you need something deeper, the next practice is on your screen. Namaste.